Every smartphone begins far from the factory, deep beneath the earth. Raw lithium starts its journey toward becoming battery power.
The first transformation reduces solid rock into usable material.
Copper will become the invisible highways carrying electricity. Purity is everything when electricity must travel flawlessly. Silicon begins as one of Earth's simplest materials.
Thousands of materials begin converging toward one destination.
The global supply chain is finally in motion.
Now, the raw materials arrive, where millions of smartphones will be built.
Tiny silicon becomes the intelligence inside every smartphone.